What's up, guys? This is a fun one right now, like real fun. I decided to order the Warren Pro Vantage plow kit for four-wheeler 2018 Can-Am Outlander 570 XMR. Well, the push tube base came Wednesday. The actual mount for the bike came today. Today's Friday. The plow won't be here until Monday. Okay, cool. Fine. I'll work with what I have right now. Start getting it done. So then all I gotta do is get the plow mounted up and it's ready. Well, I'm having some issues. Number one, nothing came with instructions. For some reason, Warren doesn't send instructions with their plow systems. They send you a link to their YouTube videos, which aren't very helpful. They help you get the general idea, but they're not very helpful. And two, this issue is kind of my fault, but not my fault at the same time. A little while ago, Warren came out with their Axon series winches. It's all-in-one winch, so all you do is connect it to power and connect your switch, and it's good to go. All the solenoid's built into it. You don't have to worry about any extra wiring. It's just power, ground, and the switch. Okay? Well, when I ordered it, I was under the impression that it would fit this. It didn't fit. I had to make a few modifications to get it in there. Well, now it's biting me in the butt. Because that winch is not supposed to be in there. To get the plow mount on there, I have to take the winch out because of where two of the bolts go. I'm gonna let y'all see this just to see my stupidity, and if Warren says something doesn't fit, it's probably for a reason. So you can see the winch in there, and where the plow mounts, you take out these two bolts and they get replaced, and you have two carriage bolts that go there and there. Everything goes through the actual mount. Well, to get this winch to fit, I had to pull the entire bumper off and grind away a little bit here. It hasn't affected it whatsoever yet. I was pulling bushes out of the ground with it and didn't have any flex or anything. I also had to cut a little bit down here just to get it in there. You can see structurally wise it's pretty much sound, just a little bit of the sides off, but I still have the radius curve, so shouldn't have any issues down the road. Well, where these carriage bolts go right here, you can see these are the 4 bolt holes for the winch itself. I already took them out, but where that carriage bolt goes is right inside there. You can see the hole. Well, there's no way I'm getting the nut or a wrench in there while that winch is installed. So it's pretty much my fault I'm having this fun right now, but I'm not going to complain. I just want to let y'all know, if you see this video and you do something similar where you put a winch on your bike that Warren says doesn't fit, or the manufacturer says doesn't fit, it's probably for a reason other than just so you don't have to cut any material away. But yeah, I'm working on getting this winch out now. I'm not going to get the mount up on there until tomorrow at least, because I need those Torx bits to get it out, and my Torx bits are at work. I don't have any at home. So I'll pick this video up tomorrow. I should have the winch out and ready to put the mount on and the winch back on. And a couple days, the plow will be here. It's supposed to be here Monday. Hopefully it gets here. UPS hasn't let me down yet. And we're supposed to get snow on Tuesday. I could really use this on Tuesday. But yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, it's the next day. I got the mount and the base on. Well, today's Saturday. The plow blade is supposed to be here Monday. I'll do another video once it's on. But let's just take a look at all the fun I had to make this work. Alright, there it is. The base and the mount. Winch is all hooked up, as you can see. It's off the ground right now. So, what I ended up having to do, well, first I had to go to my work and get my Torx bits and step bit, because you have to enlarge the 4 holes for the mounting bracket to 7/16 so the bolts will go through. You replace the 2 bolts on the bottom. Comes with carriage bolts for here and over there. But as you can see, I got a little bit of a spacer and washer on the carriage bolts. That's because the nut right there is almost touching the winch. Like I said earlier, this is the Warren Axon. It's a 35S, so 3,500 pound synthetic rope. I prefer the rope over the cable. So, had to put a spacer and shim in there to keep the bolt from protruding past the nylon lock in the nut, so it wasn't digging into the winch. If you have the right winch for your bike, you don't have this problem, because the Vantage and the Pro Vantage are a lot smaller because they're not an all-in-one with solenoid built in. But that's how it looks. Got about 3/8 of an inch right there where the mount's actually angled down a little bit. I don't think this will be a problem, just because some of the ways we've mounted 7/6 and 8-foot plows onto our trucks and haven't had an issue with them. So I don't think that little 3/8 of an inch gap with the spacer is going to be an issue at all. If it is, I'll let you know. But there it is. It's mounted up. It works. Like I said, if I have any issues with it, I'll let you guys know. The plow blade will be here in 2 days. I'll do another video once that's together. But going back to what I said in the beginning, if Warren, or I guess any company, says something doesn't fit, there is more than one reason, most likely. Not just because it physically will not fit in there without modifying the area around it. I probably shouldn't have done, but it's fine. I had issues mounting a plow onto it now. If I got the Pro Vantage, I wouldn't have had an issue. I wanted the Axon though, just because it's all in one. There's 4 wires there's 3 wires coming off of it. Power, the ground, and the wire for the switch. That was a big deal for me. I'm glad I waited for it. But on the other hand, I'm not glad because of the issues I'm having with it now. With mounting, that is. I'm having issues with the winch. But thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one with the plow on. Bye.